Boostly Podcast, we're in season 8, episode 7. Right, let's get on with it and let's speak to Jan.
Thank you very much I'm very honored to be your host tonight. Thank you very much for the opportunity to be your guest. I consider myself an expert. I'm dealing with the vacation rental industry at 360 degrees since 19, where I'm helping people going from one side to the other. Basically, this is part of my business.
Right now, you're in Barcelona. We're obviously recording this on Monday, the 23rd of March.
Yeah.
So just give us a bit of an update what your life has been like personally and sort of business-wise for the last 2 weeks, because, well, for the last week you've been on lockdown, last 2 weeks you've been on lockdown.
Yeah.
Like, how has it been for you? You know, obviously you're a father, you run a businesses, like personally, not been like, give us like a little like sort of indication what life has been like living in Barcelona at a time like this.
We are now entering the second week of lockdown, and yesterday the government said we are going to have 2 more, so we are going to have 4.
We hope and we pray that it will be sooner rather than later that life can become back to what we ever thought was normal.
So.
Whatever is going to be the new normal moving forward. But thank you for sharing that, because we've got people that are going to be listening and watching this from all over the world. This podcast goes out to people in Australia, in America, Canada. We've got people over in the South America, North America, Australasia, obviously UK and Europe. So it's really interesting hearing stories from people all over the world. And in this series, we're going to be hearing from people living all over the world. Comes good of this. I just hope people learn. And they take your advice, they take my advice, they take all of the people that are giving really good advice out there on why you should put your time and effort into getting a website that works and a PMS, a property management software that you can get on with, a channel manager, and you just sort of make sure that you are present everywhere.
I have to say that we, because of the virus, will abandon it, because now I'm focusing in helping people in Italy because they need my help. This is something that we need to grow. We need to grow with you guys, even you, Mark, and all the people that matter in the vacation rental. So I take advantage of being here with you to invite a lot of people, everyone that want to join this community absolutely for free.
Because we really wanted to just combat this in. Thank you so much for giving an insight to your world right now. Thank you for giving an insight into the current situation, and again with what people can look forward to. And I think Hubstead is the perfect way. So please go check it out. It's totally free to join. Come and find me on there. Come and find the boards, find the groups. I will get this interview is in there, and also as well there'll be some tactics and advice. So thank you so much, Gianpaolo. Gianpaolo, if anybody wants to chat to you afterwards, I know you're very active and online on LinkedIn, and you're obviously on Facebook as well. But if someone wants to reach out and have a chat with you, ask you some questions, where's the best place to reach you right now?
I would say either on LinkedIn and Facebook is the same. You can find me on LinkedIn. I'm on 24 hours available anywhere on Facebook.
On LinkedIn, if you just go into the search, type in Gianpaolo Vera, which is GIANPAOLOVAIR, helping short-term rental businesses to grow in the Southern European market. He is a fantastic guy. I'm looking forward to working more with you in the future. Thank you so much for being with us, and thank you to everybody who tuned in to this episode.